children. Today we start the new chapter, and the name of chapter is Introducing Western Sociologist. Three major social processes develop an actual idea and mentalist aspect that want making sociology as a discipline. This this social process were the age of reason or enlightenment, the French Revolution, the scientific or industrial revolution. The modern era in Europe and condition of modernity that we take for granted today we brought about by these three major process. देखिए कौन कौन से मेजर प्रोसेस से आइडिया ऑफ क्लासिकल थिंकर जो थे हमारे क्लासिकल थिंकर वेबर, मैक्स और टर्किज्म अबाउट सोसाइटी वर इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय सोशल कंडीशन ऑफ थ्री प्रोसेस दैट हेल्प सोशियोलॉजी टू मार्क्स सोसाइटी हमारे थ्री जो है प्रोसेस से इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हुई है. देखिए कौन कौन से हैं. इमर्जेंस ऑफ रेडिकली न्यू वेज ऑफ थिंकिंग अबाउट the world made it feel necessary to discipline nature, religion, and the divine act of gods from the central position they had in earlier way of understanding the world. It helped to develop attitude of mind that is referred to as a secular, scientific and humanistic. अब एज ऑफ एनलाइटमेंट में देखिए किस तरीके से एनलाइटमेंट की वजह से Age of Enlightenment is important in the development of sociology because it helps in establishing human being, the subject matter of sociology at the center of the universe. It establishes the ability to think rationally and critically, and that transform humans into both the producer and the user of all knowledge. This was the era when society was considered as handiwork of humans and those unable to rationalize. अब देखिए फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन क्या था. फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन इंट्रोड्यूस पॉलिटिकल सॉवरेन एट द लेवल ऑफ इंडिविजुअल एज वेल एज नेशनल स्टेट. French Revolution introduced political sovereignty at the level of individual as well as national state, questioning the legitimacy of privilege inherent by birth was made possible due to the Declaration of Human Rights. Emancipation of individual from the oppressive rules of religion and federal institutions became possible due to political sovereignty. Every citizen was given equal rights before the law and other institutions of the state. Separate the private names from the public sphere and state had the respect individual autonomy without intimidating it. Ideas like liberty, education, fraternity become the watchword of the modern state. The condition of modernity brought by the French Revolution thus laid the ground for sociology to study the new social phenomena. अब देखिए इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन किस तरीके से जो है प्रभावित किया सोसाइटी को. इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन लेट डाउन numerous conditions that were responsible for the rise of sociology as a discipline. Sociological thought was concerned with scientific analysis of development in industrial society, the foundation of which was laid down by the industrial revolution. Scientific discussion about the trend in social behavior became possible with evolution of new phenomena such as large-scale organization of market and labor. Change in the production process due to large-scale industry brought major change in social life in terms of settlement, wages, condition of working, and equal distribution of population, etc. This demanded new form of knowledge to be generated to reflect on the social problem. Sociological theory are the result of this self-reflection about society. अब देखिए कार्ल मार्क्स की कौन सी थ्योरी थी क्लास स्ट्रगल की, उसके बारे में देखिए. कार्ल मार्क्स एज ए सोशल थिंकर advocate an idea to operation and exploitation. According to him, the progression of human society occurred through different stage development. Every social society moves from one stage to another, that is primitive, communist, slavery, feudalism, capitalism. The theory of class struggle, according to Karl Marx, was process of bringing change in capitalist society. Capitalism, though oppressive and exploitative, created precondition of an egalitarian future of society. Class in society are formed through historical process shaped by transformation in the condition of the production process and relation of existing class to it. Change in the mode of production, the production technology and social relation of production develop conflict between different class which result in struggle. This led to conflict between already existing class. The conflict between different class leads to class struggle that become the major driving force of change in society. In each era, हर era में क्या हुआ, एक particular kind of class struggle involved, एक particular class struggle सामने आई between oppression and oppressed class के बीच में. However, the class struggle only developed when class consciousness developed amongst group members, leading to conflict. Such struggle finally become a revolution. ये struggle फिर बाद में क्या किसका रूप ले लेती है, revolution का. When the whole group of oppressed class join in the struggle, finally overthrowing the old ruling class and formation of new class. इस तरीके से वो क्या करेगी, क्लास स्ट्रगल इसका फॉर्म ले लेती है, फिर एक रिवोल्यूशन का फॉर्म ले लेती है. इस तरह से उनका स्ट्रगल जो है चलता रहता है. ठीक है, तो ये हमारे जो था इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन से जो चेंजेस आए सोसाइटी में उसके बारे में था. फ्रेंच रिवोल्यूशन से जो चेंजेस आए उसके बारे में हमने देखा था. ठीक है, और किस तरीके से जो है चेंजेस आए और नेशनल सोशलिस्ट ने इसके बारे में क्या क्या बताया उसको. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.